arrived in the hotel. Hello. And I'm on the 25th floor here in, I believe it's called the Clarion Hotel or something. Check this view. That is rather nice. Over there is the water. Apologies for the dirt on the window. That is cool. That is cool. So for now, just checked in, gotta freshen up a bit, and then 7:30 we have a dinner with some of the media colleagues and PR people of Volvo Cars, and then that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow we are going to a factory in Torslanda for something interesting regarding the Volvo EX60, and probably it's in the thumbnail or the title of this video. It's the start of production for the Volvo EX60, where we have been invited to. So we'll be attending the line where the very first customer or market-bound Volvo EX60 will roll off. So that's pretty awesome. I'm really excited. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, I guess. Maybe some shots of tonight, and otherwise tomorrow morning. So the day started early with media registration at the hotel and a bus ride to Torslanda, Volvo's home ground and one of the most important places in the brand's history. Inside the factory, you could feel that this was a serious moment. The EX60 is designed, developed and built in Sweden, and it brings Volvo's most important SUV formula into the electric era. Think of the role the XC60 has played for years: safe, practical, comfortable, family-friendly. Well, the EX60 now has to do that job as a full electric car. So in the morning, the first EX60s were driven off the production line. And yes, it's just a car driving out of a factory, but standing there, surrounded by Volvo people, media cameras, and the people who actually build it, it felt like a proper milestone. The EX60 is built on Volvo's new SPA3 platform, the base for the new generation of electric Volvos. It's also a software-defined vehicle, which means basically that Volvo can keep improving this car over time, for example, by over-the-air updates. A nice example of that is the 10 to 80% charging time that has already improved from around 18 minutes to 16 minutes, thanks to smarter software and battery management. Later in the day, we also got a look at the mega casting area. Instead of building parts of the structure from lots of smaller pieces, Volvo can cast one large aluminium section in one go. That means fewer parts, less complexity, and a smarter way to build the car. Now, Volvo has invested around 10 billion Swedish kroner into Torslanda, including mega casting, battery assembly, and updates to the factory itself. So the EX60 is not only a new car, it also represents the future of this plant. The numbers are serious too. Up to 810 kilometers of WLTP, 10 to 80% charging in around 16 minutes, and a position close to the XC60 plug-in hybrid price point. That last part matters because for many people the question isn't just whether an EV is impressive. No, it's whether it fits their life and can replace the car they already know. That's why EX60 feels important. It's not the loudest or most extreme Volvo, but it sits right in the middle of what Volvo does best: a safe, practical, premium family SUV. Now fully electric, built in Sweden and ready for this next Volvo chapter. So no, this wasn't just another car running off the line. This felt like Volvo showing where it's going next. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, this day was chaotic. We were running from hotel to factory to interviews to the mega casting, assembly, whatnot. So that's why I'm taking you guys in a bit of a voiceover here, because it was just an hectic, impressive day. Nevertheless, I hope this video gives you a bit of a behind the scenes vibe. I really appreciate Volvo Cars inviting me to this event. Thanks to you guys, the viewers, the people who are interested in this channel. So thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And let's keep pushing. Because who knows, we'll get some more cool invites from Volvo or Polestar. Let's see. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes video, a bit of a vlog. If you do, leave a comment, let me know, and then I can look a bit more into this. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Also give it a hype in the first week. You'll really help me out with that. And that being said, guys, first EX60 test drive for me will be somewhere early summer, so stay tuned for that. And of course, next week we'll have a brand new video.